Hi, Chase. Hi, Skye. What's wrong? Well, I want some Play-Doh, but I don't have any. That's an easy fix. I know how to make Play-Doh. You do? Yeah! Shall we make it together? Yeah! That sounds really good. Okay then, Chase. All we need to do is get a few things from the kitchen, mix it all together, and then we can make some Play-Doh. Does that sound good? That sounds great, Skye. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Now we're in the kitchen, Chase. Let's have a look at the ingredients that we need to make our very own Play-Doh. So we need to have 2 cups of flour. We need 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we need half a cup of salt and 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. We're also going to need 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water. That's really important, Chase. Then we can also add food colouring and glitter too. How does that sound? That sounds great, Skye. I can't wait for us to make it. So, to put all of this together, we need to mix them into a mixing bowl. Let's start off. So first, the dry ingredients go in. So that's our 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, and the 2 tablespoons of the cream of tartar. Then we can add the oil. Our next job, Chase, we need to mix all of these together. Let's keep mixing. Now they're all mixed, now we can make our pink water. This is what we need, pink food colouring. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 5 drops of food colouring. Now, Chase, we can add it to our dry ingredients. Just do a bit of it at a time though. And let's give it a big mix. See how it all goes sticky? I think we need some more. And let's keep stirring. Maybe just a little bit more, Chase. You just have to see how much you need so that it's not too sticky, but just right. That should do it. Now it's looking like a dough chase, we can add the glitter. Let's add pink glitter. I'm going to put lots of sprinkles in. And then you need to keep stirring. Make sure all the glitter gets mixed in. And then when you've mixed it as much as you can, here comes the fun part, because you have to get your hands dirty and mould it all together. Okay, so now you take your hands and work with the Play-Doh until it comes together so that it's the right texture. And this one's pink and glittery too. When you think it's right, that's when you can mould any shape you want. See? We can roll it into a ball. We can make wiggly worms. We can make letters out of it too. See, we have an S for Skye and we have a C for Chase. Wow! I love this Play-Doh, Skye. Thank you for making it for me. You're welcome, Chase. Let's come back for another time.